Welcome back. Today we'd like to show you how you can adjust the B screw on your rear derailleur. And first of all, I have to say that this is the least critical adjustment that you can do with your derailleur. And what it does is it pushes the derailleur closer or farther from the cassette or the freewheel. And before you adjust this, make sure that you are on the biggest cog on the rear and the smallest on the front. If you screw this out, it will push the derailleur closer to the cassette. And if you screw in that, it will move the derailleur farther from the cassette or the freewheel. But as I said, it's one of the least critical adjustments that you can do. You only have to take care about is when you adjust the B screw, make sure that the cassette cog or the freewheel cog don't hit against the pulley, because it will give you a rubbing noise while you're pedaling, and it's not that good. So it should be about not too far and not too close to the cassette. So let me show you how it works. If I screw this out, then it will push the derailleur closer to the cassette. Like that. So this is the point where you have to make sure that the pulley and the cassette cog don't hit each other. So you have to find the closest point, but not the too close point, okay? And it will give you a smooth and fast shifting. Anyway, that's how you do it. I hope you find this video useful or interesting. If you did, please subscribe, drop a like, and of course, have a nice day.